Good morning, you guys. It's about 10:30 this morning. It is the 26th of March. And so I've been thinking, because I've been posting videos every 3 days, so it's just like random days of the week. I'm thinking about posting videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So you guys will have brand new vlogs those days. And I want to do some extra content, so I might just do some makeup tutorials and stuff like that. But I'm heading to work. I will talk to you guys when I'm out. Received some packages. We're so excited for our sound bar. Oh my god. I don't know what the rest of this is. Oh, this is my cart. My coffee bar. So exciting. What is this? Shipped to me from Wayfair. Oh, this is my son's stuff. What is this now? More Wayfair? That's Pure One. Oh, Pure One. And then I got this from Overstock. It is our dresser, our little chest. But, why? I'm going to show you the basement's over. Well, the family room. I love the smell of fresh paint. Not too shabby, right? Looks good. Right? I'm going to actually unbox. I think you guys can see what I got here. I think there's a picture on the other side. So this is the Q60 soundbar. And then you get that thing. I don't know. Oh, I thought it was just the bottom. But this I got from Amazon. It says heavy. It looks every bit of heavy. But it is 3-tier. It might be easier. 3-tier kitchen stand, which is not going to go in the kitchen. It's going in here. Whoops. Dropped it. Oh, this is what I'm looking for. I hope I didn't break anything in there. I dropped it. Okay. Oh, and the Pure One I can show you guys too. Hey guys, good morning. Oh, that's a new one. 1409. That's a new house. I like seeing new houses in the area that are up for sale because I'm like, damn, should I have waited? No. I love my house. But so today is the 28th. It's Saturday. So we now are having our carpet done today, which I'm really excited to see. I don't know if you guys saw the carpet before, but I'm sure you guys have, because I'm putting it in this vlog previously, like prior to this day, because yesterday we started the whole painting process. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure that you guys saw the carpet before, because it was, I mean, you guys didn't see up close and personal, but it was totally ratchet. Like, it was like these people, this lady definitely like got it done and then never changed it again, which I get it, because I'm probably not gonna change mine for a very long time too. But I mean, you could totally see that it was totally like wear and tear. Definitely. I wasn't gonna change it until I moved the sectional, and then I was like, bitch. But yeah, so we're doing that. Then we're gonna finish painting. I started painting the living room, and then I'm gonna order all of the rest of our furniture today, I hope. I'm still stuck on a dining room table. I don't want to spend too much money, or like a kitchen table. I don't want to spend too much money, but at the same time, I want something that still looks really nice. And I don't know, I don't know about the feng shui of my kitchen yet. Like, I just feel like I don't know it, you know? Like, I guess silver, but, you know. I guess silver, but I don't know. You know? It's hard. That's where it's hard. But I'm going to get some Starbucks. I got some Box of Joe, because, you know, everybody can't, you know, drink the same coffee. Everybody can't drink the same coffee, so God forbid. Yes, I'm going there now to get some Starbucks now. I just got a Box of Joe and some donuts. And I'm going to eat my leftover Benihana. It's the spicy hibachi chicken. Delicious. If you haven't tried it, delicious. right, guys. I will talk to you guys in a little bit, and I'll give you an update. I'll show you guys the front room or living room, whatever people call it. I call it the front room. The front room, and then the family room as well, with the new carpet and the new paint job. Okay. All right, guys. I'll talk to you in a little bit. Let's get this done. Okay, you guys. Can we just discuss this line that wraps all the way around this building to get to Starbucks? Why? Like, when I come, why is it always the longest fucking line? It's so annoying. So I'm gonna order my stuff. I don't know where to put this goddamn thing. Okay. So people don't think I'm a weirdo. My boyfriend gets hot drinks, and I'm not into hot drinks like that, even when it's cold. No whip. What? I love ear hustling. I love ear hustling on other people's drink orders, because when I say no whip, I'm just like, bitch, what? I don't care if you're lactose intolerant. Okay, here we go. Hi, can I please have a venti caramel brulee latte? Okay. With whip, and then may I have a venti iced caramel brulee latte with whip? Okay. And then can I have a banana nut bread, if you have it available, and 2 birthday cake pops? Is there anything else for you? No, that's it. Thanks so much. Thanks. If you guys hear my caramel macchiato order, my mom gets so embarrassed. But it's like, it's not like I'm the only one that orders like a crazy human being. Like, venti iced caramel macchiato with whip, extra caramel, extra caramel vanilla, double cupped, upside down. No, I'm not the only one that does that. I'm just saying. But anyway, that's my Starbucks order. I didn't think I was gonna vlog right now, but when the line is long, you gotta vlog. I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. That's so 2nd grade. Get your life together. All right, I'm gonna pay. And then, well, shortly, in like 5 minutes or so. But I'm gonna pay, and then I'm gonna go home, and then I might be able to run through really quickly. But my family's there, so we're getting our shit done. So I don't want to be in the guy's way. All right, guys, talk to you in a minute.